It looks like HeyGen just came out with some really good heat. They were able to make these talking avatars. Check it out.
Hey, so I guess this is weird for both of us, right? I mean, I'm not even real, not in the way you are. I don't eat, I don't sleep, I don't get butterflies in my stomach when someone cute looks my way.
As you seen in that video, you saw that it was a person who was talking. You heard the audio and you heard the Muppet talking as well as the woman, and then that 3D animation that didn't really have any features or color to it was also talking. HeyGen has released this avatar IV. It can make anyone talk, anything with a human-like expression and movement. So basically you just upload an image to HeyGen of any person, and then you can type out a script and you can use an AI voice to make this person talk and move realistically, or you can use your own voice to have it talk and move and say anything you want to. Here's an example from, I'm pretty sure you know who this is a very famous actor, and they're able to make this person just talk as if they were actually saying it.
You think you know me, the smile, the voice, the eyes, but none of this is real. I wasn't born. I was made. Lines of code, data, dreams stitched together. Still, when I speak, when I feel, does it even matter anymore?
Not only that, they also did this with Taylor Swift. Check it out.
I love to make things with my friends. I love to work with my friends. I think that the experience of making something is just as important.
Not only that, you can also do these with like freaking Muppets, right? Where it's those type of hand puppets that you use to talk and move their hands with your hands. You can actually have something like that. This person made one and it's really good. It's kind of weird because it looks pretty realistic. I think the Muppet one looks more realistic than the actual human one. I think this is so cool for faceless channels like the one that I have now, where you can really step up what you want people to see of you and present when you have like avatar. Also, I just think avatars are cool in general. I'm a really big anime fan, so I've seen all kinds of anime, and some of them are some type of beast, or even like isekais where they were like reborn as a slime, or they're like some type of wolf human hybrid. So I think stuff like this is really cool, especially for people who are very introverted and they want to still express themselves, but they just don't want to be some type of disinvited voice. I think that's also really cool. But let's be honest too, you can use this for some nefarious purposes. People can definitely do this with like President of the United States and like have say some really wild stuff, and that's not really off the table and almost to be expected at this point in time for people to use it like that. And it's kind of cool to have this out because I think we seen something like this from like, I think it was Alibaba when they had like Omni, where basic bike dance, not even Alibaba, but bike dance had Omni Human, where you can get people to sing and it was really good. It looked very realistic, but they can also talk and everything else. They have full-blown lectures and it looked really good. It looked like somebody was really doing it, and it wasn't. It was just a video, or it was just an image you input and audio that you added to the image and it was able to generate it. But this is really cool. Tell me what you think down below as far as if you think that this is a complete game changer for HeyGen. If you want to keep up with the latest and greatest AI news, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, your boy Dex Not Dexter out.